In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add drop-down column in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a drop-down column so your team can select consistent options instead of typing free-form text. This keeps your sheet clean, reduces errors, and makes filtering and reporting much easier. Start by heading to smartsheet.com and signing into your account. Make sure you have permission to edit the sheet you're working with. If you only have view access, you won't be able to add new columns. Once you're in, you'll land on your recent items or the workspace where your sheets live. Open the sheet where you want the drop-down. Grid view is the easiest place to make column changes, so switch to that if you're in a different view. Take a moment to decide where the new column should go. Placing it near related fields makes it more intuitive for your teammates. If you're replacing a free text column, you can insert the new one right beside it to make moving data easier later. Now add your column. You can do this by using the plus icon at the far right of your columns, or by right-clicking any column header and choosing the option to insert a column. Give the column a clear, specific name so people know exactly what to select. Short labels work best and keep your sheet readable. For the column type, choose the drop-down list option. This opens the settings for your drop-down. Here's where you define the choices people can pick. Type each option on its own line, keeping the wording consistent. Decide on title case or all caps and stick with it. If it helps your workflow, add an option like NA or pending so no one leaves the cell blank. You can also set whether users must pick from the list or are allowed to type their own values. If your goal is standardization, it's usually best to restrict to the list. Depending on your plan, you may also be able to enable multiple selections if you need people to choose more than one option. Save your changes, and you're ready to use the drop-down. Click into any cell in that column and select a value. You can copy or fill down to apply the same selection to multiple rows, and then use filters or conditional formatting to highlight or group items based on those choices. If you ever need to update the list, just return to the column properties and edit the options without losing existing data. That's it. Your Smartsheet now has a clean, reliable drop-down column that keeps your data consistent and easy to report on.